Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this question, given data is that is there is a square plate and a circular disc. So in the question further it is saying that the square plate having edge that is given that is equal to d, and the circular plate having radius that is given that is equal to d. So further it is saying that is there is a figure given, and in this figure it is saying that the edge of both is lying at midpoint. So you can see that first here I am drawing this figure so that you understand how they are touching to each other. So this is the square plate and this is the circular plate, or I can say that circular disc. Sorry, in the question there is a circular disc is given, so this is the circular disc and they are touching at midpoint. So and dia of the circle is given, that is d, and edge of this circular plate is given, that is d. So now in the question it is saying that assuming mass per unit area for both plates are same, so we have to find center of mass of this combination. So that means we have to find the center of mass of this system. So this is the question. Now let's start answering this question. So in the answer, first I will draw this figure again, so I can say that this is a ground, and this is the square plate, and this is the circular disc, that means, and they are touching at midpoint. And further it is saying that the edge of this circular square plate is, that is d, and dia of circular disc is, that is d. So now next step is, here I consider that this is a center of this circular disc, this point, and here I am drawing 2D coordinate system making a center as origin. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So after making this 2D coordinate system, I can say that the center of, for circular disc, the center will be written as, that is coordinate for circular disc. I can say that center is, that is origin, that means 0, 0, and mass will be written as, that is m1 is equal to pi d square divided by 4 times of m, where m is a mass per unit area. So in the question it is saying that mass per unit area for both circular plate and circular disc and square plate is same. So here after getting the coordinate and mass for circular disc, I will try to find the coordinate and mass for square plate. So for square plate, the coordinate will be written as, that is center of coordinate will be, so I can say that is d, 0, and mass will be written as, that is m2 is equal to d square times of m. So now after getting the information of coordinate and mass, I can say that the center of mass will be written as, that is for coordinate for center of mass will be, that is x coordinate will be written as, that is formula is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, the formula for y coordinate will be written as that is m1 y1 plus m2 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now substitute the data, so it will be written as that is, I can say that x coordinate will be that is m1, that means pi d square over 4 times of m times of x1 will be that is 0 plus m2 x2, that means d square times of m times of x2 will be that is d divided by m1 plus m2, that means pi d square over 4 times of m plus d square times of m. Similarly, the y coordinate will be written as, after substituting the data, I can say that m1 y1, that means pi d square times of m divided by 4 times of y1 will be that is 0 plus, now m2 y2 will be written as that is d square m times of 0 divided by pi d square times of m plus d square times of m. So now simplify it, then I will get the x coordinate of center of mass, that will be that is 4d over pi plus 4. And similarly, after solving, I will get the y coordinate for center of mass, that will be equal to 0. So now I can say that after getting the center of mass of the system, the conclusion is that is this center of mass of system is lying at a distance 4d over pi plus 4 from the center of circular disk towards right. So I had solved the question. Thank you.